letting out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi and welcome. My name's Tristina, and I typically post videos 3 times a week for you guys, but it has been actually a few weeks since I posted my last video, and that's because if you're new here, I just had my second baby boy on February 4th, so at this point, you know, my 6-week maternity leave is up, and it's time for me to get back to YouTube. No, but for real, I have just been spending so much time with the both of them and really making sure to like divide my time and give my older son a lot of attention, that it has just been kind of difficult for me to add YouTube into the mix, but I'm working on it, and I'm hoping that this is going to be the start of me coming back and mixing working on my goals into a motherhood. So with all that being said, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my spring clean and decorate with me, if you didn't already catch on to that. Decor videos are always some of my favorite to film and to watch, so I figured that this would be the perfect video to come back with. And even more exciting, this video is in collab with my friend Clarissa from Our Fun Circus. She actually lives like right near me, which is so cool. I didn't know her before YouTube, but we found each other through YouTube, and yeah, she lives like maybe a half an hour away from me, if that even. We've actually ran into each other too at a Christmas parade, and it was super awkward because it was dark out and the fire trucks had me blinded, and she like came up to me and I couldn't see her, so I had no clue who it was. But she is super sweet, and I hope to be able to get together with her again someday. She posts lots of family vlogs and lots of Ray Dunn videos and decor videos. She is doing the same kind of video I am today, so please check out her channel. You guys will love her, and let her know that I sent you. And if you're coming from her channel, then hi and welcome. I am so happy to have you here. And I hope that you press the subscribe button and decide to stick around. I'm a mom to 2 little boys, a 3-year-old, and actually he just turned 7 weeks old today. So a 3-year-old and a 7-week-old little boy. And yeah, this is what I do for, you know, a hobby, just to have some adult interaction in my life. So leave some comments down below and introduce yourself if you're new here. But okay, on to this video now that I've just talked for so long. Like I said, it's been a while since I made a video, so I just have all the things to say right now. I always start with my decor on my hutch. I've said this in every single decor video. It's just easiest for me because my hutch is like my focal point in my house. It's where the most decor goes out, so I like to start here. That way I know what I have for the rest of my house. And I also always start with laying out my decor on the table, especially after it's been like a year since I've seen this decor. I had no clue what I had. And another thing that's kind of different about this video than most of my decor videos is I didn't buy a single new item for my spring or Easter decor, which is very unlike me, but since I've been stuck in my house, I have not gone out to the stores to buy anything, and also I've just been trying to not buy as much, but it's actually really fun because I still want to make things different for you guys, so I've been taking what I have and just finding new ways to decorate with it, and there's not a whole lot of similarities from this year compared to my last year's video. Let me just also tell you guys that I'm sick right now, so I'm sorry that you have to listen to this, but this is what I'm working with. I also wanted to say, I've been talking, so I didn't see when I put up the lamb's ear garland, but I originally had it on the bottom, and I loved the way it looked on the bottom shelf. I felt like it really just filled in the bottom shelf area with the lamb's ear, but I wanted to switch out the garland I originally had on top, so I ended up moving it to the top, and I wish I could go to the store to get one more, because I think adding one more to the bottom shelf would have really like pulled it all together and just made it look a little bit more full. But this is what my hutch looked like at the end. I really do like the way it came out. I like how the colors are kind of more neutral in this area. What are you doing, Bri?
I got an issue.
You're going Easter egg hunting? You found eggs?
Yeah!
Wow! You guys, as soon as my son saw me pull out all the Easter decor and he saw some of the Easter eggs that I had in there, he was like loving life, and I'm not even joking, has been playing with the Easter eggs now for 3 days. So if you need something to keep your kids occupied, your young kids occupied during this self-distancing period, give them some Easter eggs and some little things to put in it, and you know, hide them for them and stuff, and they're just gonna love their lives. I'm telling you, Brayden like won't stop playing with them. Anyways, moving into my kitchen, I have this shelf that I got from Hobby Lobby that I typically keep all of like my main Rae Dunn canisters on that like I actually use on a kind of day-to-day basis. But for the holiday purpose, I'm going to change out the canisters and add some Easter decor in this area as well. When I'm putting up my decor, especially this time around since I didn't buy any new pieces, it's really just a lot of me like putting things down and taking a step back and looking at it and then changing it up and literally just repeating that process over and over again until I find something that I semi-like. I have this little shelf hanging in my kitchen that I keep like my cookbooks and stuff on, and I always just change out the mugs here for seasonal mugs. So I actually had like everyday mugs kind of up there for now, and I just changed them to my spring and Easter mugs. Not to all of them, but like, you know, just to the 4 that I can fit there. I'm pretty sure I forgot how to make a YouTube video, so taking my almost 6-week break with just a few videos sprinkled in there probably wasn't the best thing ever, because this voiceover is just going very well. Very well. So the last thing I'm doing in my kitchen is just changing out my crock to an Easter crock that I had, and that is basically it for the kitchen. I like to keep it pretty simple in here because I don't like a whole lot on my counters for when I'm cooking dinner and stuff. But moving back into my dining room, I jump around a lot when I decorate because I like to do certain areas before I do other areas. Yeah, so now I'm moving back into my dining room and going to decorate my 2-tiered tray because I'm going to use that as my centerpiece for this Easter. So I wanted to go for something more neutral in my 2-tiered tray as well. That way it matches the hutch a little bit more, but I also wanted to add some more carrots in because I don't know what it is, but I have like a weakness for the bunnies and the carrots and like the greenery and stuff. So I have this green stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree last year, and I'm just putting that down as kind of like a base, and then I'm just gonna add in, you know, some bunnies and some carrots, and I have moss eggs and stuff like that. Basically everything that I have for decor I got last year from either Target or Hobby Lobby, and a few things from Joann's as well. And I know that they typically bring back a lot of the same stuff, so that is where I got everything just in case. So moving into the last room I'm going to decorate with you guys, in my living room. I'm just starting off by changing out my throw pillows. Let me tell you guys how I've had these navy blue throw pillows since we bought these couches, so almost 2 years now, and they are hideous and like ruined. I put them in the washer, and one time when I put them in the washer, the like edges of them must have gotten caught. I don't know, but a lot of them are like ripped on the edge. They're just horrible, and something that I'd really like to invest in this year, if I would just buy one new piece of home decor for 2020, I would really like to buy some new throw pillows. So eventually I would like to get some, but I've been having like some trouble deciding on what direction I guess I want to go for my throw pillows, because throw pillows can be pricey, you guys. So like I want to make sure that they are the ones I really want. But for now I actually have 7 throw pillows, and I am only keeping 2 of them out. I have these pink pillow covers that my mom got me last year that I put on my big couch, and then all the rest went away, and she actually gave me these little bunny throw pillows, so I put those on my small couch. And I suck with throw pillows, you guys. Like, I suck at decorating with them and making them, like, arranging them and making them look good. So this is just what I did. Hopefully it looks alright. Hopefully I can, make my new ones look good when I decide to get those, because I have been looking for so long and I just can't figure out how to like match the pillows all together. I don't know. We'll get there. Anyways, now I'm decorating my side table, and yeah, I talked too much. So now we're onto the coffee table that I'm just gonna wipe down. All of my products that you see me using I get from Grove Collaborative. I have a link that I will post down below in the description box where you guys can get a 5-piece set for free through them. I love Grove Collaborative. They will deliver right to your door, and it's all, nice ingredient cleaning supplies and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend checking out them if you have not already. Like I said, I will leave the link down below for that.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
I have this little shelf by my front door that I'm just going to add a few pieces to decorate it for Easter as well. And I've also been hanging all of my baby wraps on here, my Solly baby wraps, because my son lives in them. So I like just having them here. That way I can go ahead and grab them when I based on what I'm wearing and when I need them. And yeah, it's just worked out, and they kind of since they're all neutral, they kind of match and they kind of go, so it works. But anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please press the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see from me in the next coming weeks. It would mean a lot to me to get your guys' input. And don't forget to check out Clarissa's channel. You guys will love her. She is the sweetest. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in